So I was taking a piss, right? And I got hungry, and I was like, you know what? I'll make a sandwich and stop pissing right about now. Hey, Zoo. It's, right. My hand covering the camera. Go upside down. Why not? Anyways, this is how you make a sandwich. What you're gonna need is, this over here, what you're gonna need, plate or something to cut it on, a knife, sauce, lots of sauce, meat, bread. You know what? Just now. Get this shit out of here. All right. Alright, next up, you're gonna need to take this bread out of the bag. And same thing with the meat out of the bag. Do not take the sauce out of the bag. That is stupid. It will create a mess, trust me. I've done it before. It did not end well. Alright, so, yeah. I'm pretty sure you don't need to learn how to take shit out of the bag. If you do, you need some help. Alright, next step. You gotta lay your meat onto the bread. Once you do that, instead of feeding the fucking ducks and homeless people, what you do next is take the bottom slice, right? Bring over here. Fuck you, meat. Alright. And then you grab your sauces and you apply it to the bread or the meat. It doesn't fucking matter, because it's still getting on the sandwich. I hate how people are OCD about that. Once you applied your second piece of bread with the sauces and everything like that on top of the first piece of bread and meat, you have made your sandwich. But if you want to make your sandwich more intricate, you can cut off the crust like a little slut, or you can actually cut the sandwich like so. Here's your end product, right? So, some sliced up bread and meat that you can now put into your digestive system to suit every single day need of nutritional needs. Because you know what? You're not homeless. You have mustard